Welcome to GP Prodigy. Today, we're going to dive into a topic that's often overlooked but has far-reaching consequences: the adverse environmental impacts of digital transformation. Digital transformation has revolutionized the way we live, work, and communicate, but it's not without its costs. We'll be exploring the environmental side effects of this digital revolution and discussing some essential research-backed data and reports that shed light on the issue. Energy consumption. One of the most significant environmental impacts of digital transformation is the immense energy consumption associated with it. Did you know that the ICT sector accounts for about 2% of global greenhouse gas emissions, a figure comparable to the aviation industry? That's right. Our digital activities are contributing to carbon emissions on a massive scale. The primary culprit behind this energy consumption is data centers. These massive facilities house countless servers and require enormous amounts of electricity to function. In fact, data centers consume about 3% of the world's electricity supply. That's enough to power a small country. So, every time we stream a video, upload a photo, or send an email, we're indirectly contributing to carbon emissions. E-waste. Another pressing issue is the problem of electronic waste, or e-waste for short. As technology advances at a rapid pace, our devices become obsolete faster than ever before. This leads to a staggering amount of electronic waste being generated each year. In fact, according to the United Nations, the world generated 53.6 million metric tons of e-waste in 2019 alone. What makes e-waste so concerning is that it contains hazardous substances such as lead, mercury, and cadmium. When improperly disposed of, these toxins can leach into the environment, contaminating soil and water sources. This not only poses a threat to ecosystems but also to human health. Research shows that exposure to these toxins can lead to respiratory issues, neurological disorders, and even cancer. Water usage. Digital transformation also has an impact on our water resources. The production of electronic devices requires significant amounts of water, from the extraction of raw materials to the manufacturing process. For example, it takes about 1.5 tons of water to produce just one computer. Additionally, the cooling systems in data centers require massive amounts of water to prevent overheating. This water is often obtained from local sources, putting a strain on already scarce water supplies. As a result, communities near data centers may face water scarcity and environmental degradation. Effects on society. Now that we've explored the environmental impacts, let's discuss how these consequences affect society. Communities living near data centers or e-waste disposal sites often bear the brunt of these adverse effects. They may experience increased pollution, health issues, and reduced quality of life. It's important to acknowledge that these communities are often marginalized and lack the resources to fight back against these environmental injustices. By raising awareness about these issues, we can advocate for their rights and push for sustainable practices in the digital world. Solutions. While the environmental impacts of digital transformation are concerning, there are solutions that can help mitigate these issues. Technological advancements, such as energy-efficient hardware and software, can significantly reduce energy consumption. Governments can play a crucial role in regulating e-waste disposal and promoting sustainable practices. On an individual level, we can reduce our digital consumption by being mindful of our online activities and avoiding unnecessary data usage. Proper disposal of electronic devices is also essential. Recycling and e-waste collection programs can help recover valuable resources and prevent hazardous substances from entering the environment. Conclusion. Digital transformation has undoubtedly revolutionized our world, but it's vital to address the adverse environmental impacts associated with it. By implementing the solutions we discussed today, we can create a more sustainable digital future for all. It's time for us to take responsibility and work together to minimize the negative consequences of our digital activities. Remember, every small action counts. Thank you for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe for more thought-provoking content. Until next time, Stay informed and stay eco-friendly.